This is Brian Estridge, voice of the TCU Horned Frogs, and this is the evolution of the TCU football uniform. I'm Brian Estridge. I'm the Director of Broadcasting. I've been here in Fort Worth since 1998 with TCU. Well, that's a great word, evolution, because it has been that. And obviously when Dennis Franchione arrived in 1998, and that was the same year that I came in, you saw the new TCU with the frog logo appear on the helmet for the first time. And I think that was where it all kind of began, the change, if you will. It was a fairly standard uniform, though, back then. You would see us wear all black occasionally. That was a big deal early on. There was always talk that the previous chancellor didn't want them wearing all black. So there always had to be some sort of purple. But then as things continued to progress and our relationship obviously with Nike continued to grow, I think it led to what today to me is the largest wardrobe in college football maybe.
Mike Sinkfield. I currently serve as Senior Deputy Athletic Director, Chief Administrative Officer for TCU Athletics. There's tons of tigers and lions and wildcats and all of that. There's no other horned frog. We were the only one. So that's where we kind of got with the company and came up with some ideas to put the spikes on the collar. That was coming out a little bit in the mid-90s on the other teams' uniforms that had established relationships, doing something to decorate a little bit more. Obviously, our relationship with Nike is really important to us, and we're the benefactor, right? We have a frog that's an integral part of Nike, and Elliott Hill is a TCU alum. In fact, we have a lot of commonalities. He was a student trainer here at TCU and then got started with Nike through the golf business and worked his way up, and it's just been a great relationship for us. Shoes can have an impact on a game. Uniforms are one thing, right? But the technology wasn't there where I didn't truly feel like a uniform was going to impact winning and losing. Performance of footwear and potential failure of footwear can cost you a game. And so why not wear the best that's available? And from that time and even to today, I firmly believe Nike is the world leader in cleated footwear. And we want to be associated with the best.
My name is Matt Lewis, and I work with the guys on basically everything off the field outside of football. I think what stands out about a TCU Horned Frog uniform is the distinct colors. Not a lot of teams in the country are purple or our color of purple. I think B, some of the little things that we do to mimic a horned frog. You know, we've had spikes on uniforms. Fans gravitate towards those. We don't have them currently on the uniform just because of a Nike redesign, but I think you might see those down the road in the future.
Horned Frogs decked out in all purple today, the purple pants, purple jersey, and the chrome hat with the big silver frog on the side. To me, though, one of the great jersey eras was in the 70s and 80s when you had the tearaways. You remember the tearaway jersey? Where, you know, guy would grab a jersey and rips off and they keep running anyway. I love the tearaway jersey. But it's hard to beat what you're looking at today. I mean, the technology is so good. The look is so tough. I love the form-fitting portion of it. They look like gladiators out there.